Hey, what's up, guys? How are you? Hopefully, you will be absolutely fine. Okay, today I'm going to talk about working hours which are available on Qkids teaching platform. Guys, I have already made many videos about advantages and disadvantages which teacher face when they work on this website. If you are interested, please see in the description, you will find their links. So we are going to start our video, and we will talk about hours, working hours. Please keep in your mind, if you are working, then you may already know, and if you are willing to work on this teaching platform, then it is information for you that this website actually offer English lessons to Chinese students which are physically present in China. So actually, you will not work according to Eastern Standard Time or any other standard time, for example, Hawaii time or CST, MST, PST. You will work according to Beijing's time. And you know that there is a difference between Beijing's time and all times zones which are applicable on the United States and Canada. So if you are working 7 days a week, then during the weekdays you will get classes at 6:40 a.m. and it can continue till 9:10 a.m. So 9:10 a.m. Will be the limit of the time slot, and during this you will get lessons of 30 minutes each, and you will get 10-minute rest, or you can say 10-minute warm-up time, or just 10 minutes to finish and wrap up a previous lesson, and then after 10 minutes there will be another class, and during this 10 minutes it depends what you will do. You will take rest, you will wrap up last lesson, or maybe you will prepare for the next lesson. Okay, but this is just for Eastern Standard Time, and if you are in CST time zone, then it will start 5:40 in the morning, and this time slot will finish at 8:10. Similarly, if you are in MST, the time slot will further move, and it will start at 4:40 a.m. early in the morning, and it will finish at 7:10 early in the morning. If you are in PST time zone, then it will start at 3:40, what should I say, night or early morning, and it will finish 6:10 in the morning. And time zone for Hawaii is very interesting. It will start at 1:40 a.m. and I must say that I can say that it's midnight, because it's 1:40 a.m. and it will finish, time slot will finish 4:10 a.m. early in the morning. So I personally feel that Hawaii timings are too early. Anyhow, these are the timings which are available. These are the hours which are available for teachers, and you have to conduct classes during these time slots. And plus, if you want extra classes on weekends, on Friday and Saturday, then evening classes are also available. But these evening classes will start at 8:40 p.m. and it will finish till 11:50 p.m. for people who are living in EST time zone. And the people who are living in CST time zone, their classes will start 7:40 till 10:50 is the limit of this time zone, limit of this time slot. And if we see about MST, then MST time zone, for MST time zone, time slot will start at 6:40 and it will finish till 9:50 p.m. These are timings, whatever times I told later. These are for Friday and Saturday, and these are for weekend times. And if you are interested uh, to teach in the evening classes, then you can avail these timings. For PST time zone people, these classes will start earlier, 5:40, and it will, this time zone's limit is till 8:50. And for Hawaii people, those who are living in beautiful place of Hawaii, they can take these classes. Actually, these are night classes, but for them it will be 3:40 till 6:50 p.m. So they can take this these timings. So here I think for Friday and Saturday classes, time zone for Hawaii people is good, because you can finish uh, earlier, and its time limit is till 6:50. Obviously, if you are living in EST, PST, MST, CST time zone, or you are living in Hawaii, I think if you are not a morning guy, and you do not like to wake up early in the morning, then obviously these timings are awkward. But here, because this website is offering classes to Chinese students, then there is no other choice, because you have to follow Beijing timing zone, which is applicable in China, and you have to follow these hours. So there are some advantages and disadvantages for these time zones classes. For example, if you are working in AM timing, means you are taking regular classes, you are working in morning classes, and you are conducting lessons in morning time, then some of the classes may come very early. For example, for PST time zone people, they have to start at 3:40 and finish around 6:10, means this is the limit, and for 6:10, so you have to work early in the morning and then manage your sleep according to it. And what I feel, that if you work so early in the morning, then it become difficult for you to go for any other job. If you are not if you want an extra job, and you want that after that work you should go to another job, then physically it will become little bit difficult for you. And for Eastern Standard Time, although time zone is comparatively better, 6:40 is starting time, and limit is until 9:10. But still, I feel that when you will work early in the morning, then mentally you will be tired, and then you have to manage your sleep. You have to go to bed at a time when usually people do not go, and because you have to wake up early in the morning, then you have to sleep early, and it will be unusual, uh, because your other family member will go to bed as usual time, but you have to sleep early, in fact very early, and then wake up also very early. This is the I think dark side, or you can say disadvantage of this online teaching opportunity. But on the other hand, I feel that because you are working early in the morning, and you are working very early, even when offices do not start their businesses, and you have finished your work, then it means that your time is free now. And if you are not willing to go for another job, then you have lot of time to spend, and you have finished your job early in the morning, when people even did not start work even for single minute. Because here, even in EST, the time limit is 9:10, and for CST 8:10, MST 7:10, PST 6:10, and obviously for Hawaii people it's 4:10 is the limit. So if you can wake up early in the morning, then actually you are among those people. You are among those people who are very lucky that they have finished their work very early in the morning, and you have remaining day when day is starting, and your whole day is free. Now it's up to you that how you manage. But those people who do not feel good and they do not want to go to sleep early in the morning, early in the night, I'm sorry, then maybe you will feel some sort of difficulty and you have disturbance in your daily routine, because you have to work early in the morning, and you have to complete your sleep as other people are sleeping according to their calendars, but you are sleeping according to your need. And need is that if teacher is in USA or in Canada, they have to sleep early, and in some time zones very early, and also wake up early in the morning, and you have to finish your work when most of the people are still sleeping. You have to finish your work before business of the city start. So these are some points. It's up to you that you like or dislike, but bottom line is that you have to work according to Beijing time.